Hey guys, so it's a new year, and I figured on last year, I was thinking of some of the things that I went over during my life, or I've accomplished through life, or I've figured out, or I've tried and it worked out to be true. It actually worked for me, and I came up with a list of keys to living a successful life. Not success in the way that it may be lots of money and stuff like that. Not money wise, but basically how to live a good long life. Yeah, like I'm 80 years old. So this is some things that I've been trying that has worked for me. Number one, floss your teeth. Um, Brushing your teeth too, but flossing mostly helps with the gums and removing a lot of the plaque and the food throughout your teeth, and that helps you live longer. I mean, just the oral hygiene of your mouth can take you a long way. Two, this is big. Learn the plan of salvation. I mean, that's something you have to go do on your own. Yeah, I could compose a list of things to do. Go here, do this, do that, don't do this. Fireworks. But learning for yourself, actually searching and finding, it'll be much more easier than me telling you to go what to do. Plan of salvation, what it actually means to be saved, because you need to. Three, eat from the earth. That's your fruits, your vegetables, your minerals. Just can you think of a time back in the day where our ancestors were gardeners, and they minded the fields and they planted and they ate from the ground, and then when you were sick they went and picked a couple of rosemary, thyme leaves and peppermint leaves and made a tea, and you were okay. It kind of still stands today. So many times we have a headache and we rush for ibuprofen or aspirin or Tylenol, and just the stuff that they cook up in those labs, much more detrimental than something you can cook up out the ground. And I know some harmful things out there, but try to stay as much close to the earth as you can, especially with getting your iron and your potassium and just stuff from food. And I know going green and going organic is big, but if you can grow it yourself, that'd be best, because even when you ship something in from overseas or you ship something in from up the street and they put a lot of pesticides on it, and then they fill it with a lot of hormones to make it grow faster, and they clone it, like the world that we're living in today, killing us. So go green if you can. That's well, grow green if you want to have go green if you want to have a successful life. Laugh a lot. Make light of situations. If you're not an optimist, try to be, because dwelling on hurtful, heavy things causes you to grow old fast, causes you to have a lot of health problems, a lot of heart murmurs, and just a heavy heart period. Just laugh. I mean, things are not as heavy as we think it is, and there's always a bright side. Love, like true love, like not like mother and child, husband and wife, but like Jesus. Like literally, people are not treating you the best, but maybe by their own ignorance, or them not knowing is ignorance, or just love them anyway. It's hard to do, but some of us actually believe in God and we love God, and we say that with our mouths, but our actions show that we don't love our neighbor or our brother or our sister, and we hate a lot. The opposite of love is hate. So if you don't love, then you're hating. Don't be a hater. So forgive. To truly say, you know what? It's not that big. I'm not going to forgive for you, but I'm going to forgive for me. You know, to not hold grudges. To hold, again, that makes the heart heavy. That makes high blood pressure. That causes a lot of stress, causes anxiety, causes depression. Is it still recording? All of which kills us. I have to move fast because my computer's dying. Hobbies. This is 2 in 1. So number this is like number 7 and 8. Find a hobby, do something that you love, do something that's fulfilling to you. And if you can make that hobby a job where you actually bring in income, that's even better. So that's the 2 in 1. But if not, if you have to work a straight 9 to 5, have that side thing that you like to do. If it's gardening, if it's sewing, if it's golfing, if it's a sport, or if it's reading, have a hobby that makes you feel good. That's for you, that you don't have to share with anybody else. Or if you can turn it into money and share it with the world and make the world a better place, that'll work too. Water. Water is essential for life in and out. Water is good for trees, plants, babies, animals. Water is good for us. Water cleanses us on the outside, our hair, our skin, but water also cleanses the toxins out of our bodies inside. You have to drink a lot of water. And when you study your plan of salvation, you might even find water somewhere in that, but to each their own. Water. Number 10, exercise. You have to have a strong body. What you put inside your body helps you live longer and outside your body. Your muscles, your strength, what carries you further. Walking, doing a lot of walking helps your heart to be a younger heart. When you're 80, you might have a heart of a 60-year-old by exercise. And this goes together too because I put exercise with sex. Maybe you need to have a lot of sex. With one partner though, but that's exercise. That gets your heart pumping and running or whatever. But for those who are not married, let's just say exercise a lot. Give. Don't always have your hand out to receive. Um, it is better to give than receive. A lot of people don't know that, but you find fulfillment in giving others. Um, don't always take. Number 12, surround yourself with amazing people. Like minded people draw like minded people. You have the same ideas, you're striving for the same things. If you're trying to be a positive person or you are a positive person, having a long life, you need to be around positive people, or else you're going to pull them or they're going to pull you. Either way. But if you're both like kind of the same, then you'll be going in the right direction of a long, successful life. Number 13, get good sleep. Eating well, drinking lots of water, eating from the earth, exercising, and sleeping. The people who are writing this stuff on the internet, they're for real. Like literally, I feel a whole lot better when I slept for real, at least 8 hours. I feel groggy. I feel like my brain is not able to function when I don't have a lot of sleep. I even look horrible. Eyes, everything. So I know sleep is important. Sleep. And if you don't sleep well, you suffer from insomnia, there's a supplement vitamin called melatonin out there that really works well for people who don't want to go through the medications, but they want to stay herbal and they need to sleep. They can't sleep. So, 14, learn how to manage your time. Not having enough time in a day is already stressful. Not getting a lot of things on your to-do list off of your list is stressful. If you're not managing your time right, you're not living your life to its full potential of success. Declutter goes with managing your time. If you need to wake up a couple of hours early to get stuff done or stay up a couple of hours late, then you do it. Or if you need to get off of social media and actually do something that's going to help you be less stressed, just do it, But decluttering, I find that when my house is a mess or my car or even my kids' room, I feel stress. Like when things are organized and everything has a place, it helps the whole community in this family run a lot better. So declutter and organize. Number 16, forgive. I think I have forgive on here already, but I put it on here twice. So nice. I had to say it twice. That also goes with love. Don't hold grudges. Forgive people. People make mistakes. People don't know what they're doing is wrong, or people have so much hate in their heart that they want to do wrong. Forgive them anyway and move on. And if you want to go a step further, forgive like Jesus and act like they've never done it and actually give them a chance to do it again, whatever it may be. Move on, forgive. You sleep better at night. 17, get your vitamins. If you're not getting good vitamins, first it should come from food. Then add some supplements, because when your body is lacking the magnesium and the calcium and all of the B vitamin complexes and zinc, your brain is actually in a fog. You just can't, so you need to get a good multivitamin if you're not going to get it all from your foods. We don't eat as healthy as we did back in the day before we had all of these pop-up McDonald's and Zaxby's and everything. So we actually are, we don't have good healthy choices like we did. So you might need a vitamin to go with that. I have 18 on here, but it's really for another video. Learn the fruits of the spirit. The loving everyone. So that's it. That's all I have for this series. I hope you guys have a great new year. I am really excited about 2018. Have a lot to look forward to. 2017 wasn't as bad, but we're moving forward. So I hope you guys are moving forward to it, and I hope you like this. More fireworks going on out there. And that's it. Peace out. Signing out.